The personal window provides quick access to the schedules, with the central area of the window showing the family members. This tutorial will review how to collect the data, options for securing sensitive data, and how you can utilize some reporting options. In the Family Members area, you should enter the policyholders and any members of their household you wish to track. Begin entering a new family member by clicking the plus icon. Fill in the information you wish to list, keeping in mind how you may wish to use the collected data in the future. Many agencies will use birthday or birth date to run reports for birthday mailers or marketing reports for Medicare-aged members. If you have enabled encryption options, you may have to click on icon to enter or view sensitive data fields. These fields may include the date of birth, social security number, or driver's license number. Once encrypted, data entered into these fields can only be decrypted on demand by clicking the icon, which may also limit the data you can pull to a report. As you are entering a family member, it is important to check the rated driver field if the driver is covered on the personal auto policy, which allows them to be reported on the policy's coverage report. Keep in mind, if the policy will be downloaded to you, that the covered drivers will likely be downloaded with it. If you do not download, you should enter all of your personal lines drivers here in the same manner. If you need to edit an existing driver, highlight the row and click the Edit icon below. Being sure to click the Post Edit button when done. Delete a driver by highlighting the row and clicking the Delete icon. Use the arrow icons to scroll through the list without clicking. While entering a commercial account, it is a good idea to enter the owner information in the Family Members area so you can utilize the information for marketing. But be sure to enter the employed drivers in the commercial drivers rather than in the family members. Click the Commercial Drivers button to open the driver's screen, then click Add New Driver and do it. This will open up the driver details screen where you will enter the employee's information. The same encryption options apply to the commercial driver. Notice that this screen includes a date added and a date deleted. These fields will be automatically populated, though you can overwrite the date added with the date coverage began for this particular driver. When you delete a commercial driver, the system will archive the driver in the deleted list. You can click Show Deleted to see these archived drivers, then edit and remove the date deleted to bring them back to the active driver listing. On renewal, you may wish to send the client a list of drivers, which you can get by clicking the option for Prepare Driver Report and printing to a PDF option to send over to the client for their review. Additionally, if you are enrolled in Insurance Copilot, the subscribed client can see the driver schedule and request changes via the portal, which can be easily uploaded to the program. When you are filling in Accord forms, be sure to check for the associated databases. These icons will allow you to access the schedule databases to pre-fill the information into the form. See more about the pre-fill functionality in the Forms tutorial.